It is 10:56 and we finally have our booth ready. The event starts at 11. There it is. So then that makeshift sign, Christine helped. She's the owner of Clow. She makes amazing leather goods. And then she's taking photos. This is my little setup right here. Like this. I try to get it jam-packed. But here's the place. How cute.
Alright, just like Dad promised. There's some seals, right? You see some seals? There they are.
We heard that there's already a line outside, so we're gonna go check it out. That is so cute! I want some flowers for the booth. Okay, so there is a line of people. Look it. They're all waiting for the doors to open in just a few minutes. It's pretty cool. I walked back to my booth and then I realized there's a line of people. They're all waiting to come in. Oh my gosh! I'm so nervous! Doors just opened, and it's a good or bad thing that we're sitting in the front because everyone kind of strolls by and says they'll be back later, but I don't know if they'll actually be back later. So right now, the cards that I got yesterday, I am putting them in poly bags so that I can put them up front, but everyone just keeps strolling by. It's funny because I do the same thing. Hopefully they'll be back. Good morning. Lunch! I got chicken tiki masala from the food truck. Ooh, so good. It finally sort of died down, so I don't know. Sales have been okay. People still say they come back and then I never see them again. So we'll see. But everyone always stops at, they always like, that's so small, what do you use it for? But a couple sold. And they always play with this guy. And my birthday cards are almost sold out. This is almost sold out. Everyone laughs at this, and it's almost sold out. And then my happy birthday cactus one, I only have maybe 2 left. But I can't find them, so I don't know where they are.
glad I got at least 10 minutes of this hour-long boat ride with this guy. Is this fun?
Quite Tower is also a symbol of the
You having fun?
became the capital
Yeah.
of San Francisco.
I know, it's a weird thing to wake up to being on a boat.
At the very edge.
Look at that one. Look how big there's the seal remains. Actually seals. What a great way to start and end the day.
It's the end of the day, so I am gonna try to clean up. You didn't even see me. I'm gonna try to clean up, but a lot of my birthday cards and Mother's Day cards have been selling. So I didn't plan enough because I only have like 2 or 3 of these each. I actually have more of these because I just picked these up from San Jose yesterday. But my birthday cards as well, I am running out, so I actually need to restock. I will probably make an order on Monday when I get back. But yeah, I thought these simple ones would do well, but I guess you need more than simplicity. I'm still trying to figure you guys out. But I like the cards, so we'll see. But yeah, and these ones too, everyone here says they like it, but hasn't been the biggest seller. I sold maybe 2. These for sure everyone talks about. But yeah, okay, so right now I'm gonna somewhat tidy this up and then we're gonna leave because it's the end of the day and everyone is leaving. It is already 6 p.m. so they're not letting anyone else in. Christine here, she sold all of her bags. No, not all, but you sold all of your mini messengers. So these are the messengers, yeah? So these mini versions she sold out of right away, but the bigger ones are still here. So if you guys want an awesome leather bag, come to our booth tomorrow. So many cute things. And these are the earrings I was wearing the other day, and I'll probably be wearing them tomorrow because they're so darling. So after I left you, we went and had some clam chowder, sourdough balls. My brain is not functioning.
A trip to San Francisco would be complete without a bread bowl full of clam chowder. How is it?
So good.
So good.
So fresh.
How about you like it? Oh no, he likes his video. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, it's hard to do one-handed. Yummy.
We are now back at the hotel. It's 9:30.
Yeah, 9:33.
Yeah. I'm taking off my makeup, getting ready for bed. Hopefully I can get this little one to bed and then I can edit the videos that need to go up, which means there's 3 of them. And then I need to get up early again and do it all over again. But for some of you who are just like, oh, I didn't know you were in San Fran. I'm here for 1 more day. So if you are free and in the area, please come by. We are there from 11 till 6 p.m. at the Fort Mason Pavilion. So yeah, come on over. Get the cards before they're sold out. So I'll see you guys. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.